Hola a todos. My player name is Okatia. Last time, we learned how to punch a tree to get wood. And the wood that we collected was oak. And after we finished the video, I collected more oak logs. Today, we're going to use those oak logs to make a crafting table. First, we need to change some of the oak logs into planks. To do that, I put the cursor over the logs and I press and hold the left mouse button. That picks up the item. I position the cursor where I want it to be in the crafting area, and I press the right mouse button to drop as many items as I want into that space. And now we can make 4 oak planks for every oak log. Since we have 6 oak logs in the crafting area, that will make 6 times 4 oak planks. So this is going to make 24 oak planks. I'm pressing the left click button on my mouse to convert the oak logs into oak planks. Now I'm going to pick up the oak planks and position one in each space in the crafting area. That's going to make a crafting table. I left click on the crafting table to pick it up, and I put it in my hotbar. I press the letter E on my keyboard to close my inventory, and then I rotate the wheel on my mouse until it's on top of the crafting table. I pick a spot to put the table, and I right click. That places the crafting table. The way the crafting table is used, I put the cursor over the crafting table and I right click with the mouse. The crafting table gives me 9 spaces to place items, and depending on where I place those items, I can make different recipes. First, I'm going to make a very simple recipe. I'm going to take 2 oak planks and place them one on top of the other in the crafting table. That will give me 4 sticks. I'm going to left click on the 4 sticks and put those in my hotbar. Now I can use those to make other things. So, in today's video, we learned to make and use a crafting table, and we made oak planks and sticks. In the next video, we're going to learn how to make a wooden axe, a wooden shovel, and a pickaxe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye all.